Hey billionaires, how you doing? So this is the third video and welcome again to the series of designing from scratch to live using Figma and WordPress. In the previous episodes, I've talked about getting inspiration, what to expect so far and everything. This one is about designing your wireframes before you go into affiliate designs. And this is low-fi, you just use black and white, you don't need any colors or anything. So that's the idea of this one. Give you a background feel of what we've done so far is this. I drew this wireframe. Let's call this sketching. I drew this and now I turned it to a wireframe, which will later turn to a design, affiliated design. And this wireframe is look at, okay, what other style can we try out? This is that, like to give us an idea of what we're trying to build. Because you can't just go into affiliated design and say, okay, I like this. Okay, like you have to plan everything ahead. That's the thing. And now this is it. This is the area section. This is the awards. This is their menu. Then you view menu from there. This is the awards one, orders, dishes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make everything animated like this. Maybe animated. So this 5 come from 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. This one from 0 to 1000 plus the idea. So this is testimonials. This is the completing hours. So this is basically how a wireframe is done. But in this video, I'll have done it already for the mini pages. Then we'll start designing affiliate prototype. We'll do for home page again. Moving on from there. So I hope this is explanatory to you. Let me know if you have any questions at all. That's it. You can use a mouse if you have a mouse, or you can use your hand and paper. But I didn't tablet, so I use that. I've added a style guide already, making sure that everything I'm doing is following the right principle. I want to show you how I get the style guide. This style guide, how do I do it? You come over here, you see, you type for type scales, but I use my data at the time, so my data is off now. But how I do it, and it will come on, and now you can see it will give you type scales, say 73, 59, 57, and the likes. So you just choose one of them. For me now, my base size is 16. When I was in mine that time, I chose 16. So if you cancel, just choose 16. You see, this is what it will give you. You can choose a scale. How should it be increasing? Major third. Everybody says choose major third, so that I used. And for that, that's it. And by the time page generates, it will give you this. You see, and by the time you change it, this is even too long. You don't need this long. You just like change. The first one is heading 1. And the one and it continued that way. I didn't choose 10 because 10 is so small, so I just deleted it on my own. And the rest, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Let me just show you. And for that, this is everything. And yeah, it's simple as that. Now what you just do is that you choose one and you come over here, this icon here, and you press plus and you add it heading 1 when you're doing yours. So that's how I did it, and that's how you can do it too. Okay, that's it. I hope you got value from this episode. And if you have any questions, please do ask. If I missed some points that you think I should have mentioned, please let me know too. In the next videos, expecting videos on designing in Figma, the IFAC designs, presentations, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a great one. Bye.